Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-61 D-50 Suspended Ceilings Contractor License. A suspended ceilings contractor installs, modifies, or repairs all types of suspended ceilings, including, but not limited to the following: lay-in, grade, and other types of systems involving solid, perforated, or translucent ceiling panels, and this does not include electrical work. And that's a definition that's straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, if your business revolves around installing or repairing suspended ceilings, then you would need a D-50 license in order to bid on projects that exceed $500 in labor and materials. Now, the time frame it takes to get a suspended ceilings license, you can expect an average time frame of about 90 days. Generally a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then on average maybe another 3 to 4 weeks before you go and take your test. Now, the basic requirements for a California contractor license are that you're at least 18 years of age, you'll need a valid driver's license or USAID, you'll need a social security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Your experience requirements need to be at least that you have 4 years full-time journey level experience within the last 10 years. You'll need somebody that can sign off on that experience. And in the event that the CSLB asks to see proof of your experience, you've got to be ready to submit documentation. Now, who can you use to sign off on that experience? You could use a general contractor. You could use a D-50 suspended ceilings license holder, a foreman or supervisor, a fellow journeyman or employee at a company that you've worked at within the last 10 years. And in some cases, you could even use a business associate. Now, your criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting when they apply for a CSLB license. Be honest on the application. Typically, the CSLB is looking for people that have fraud, forgery, or embezzlement charges. So if they don't fall under those categories, you should be okay, but be ready to submit court documents just in case. Now, what's on the exam? You can expect 115 questions covering contractor license law. You'll have 3 hours to complete the test. It's a multiple choice exam. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and you can bring a translator the day of the test if you need to. Now, the CSLB Law and Business exam covers business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there's a portion covering public works. Now, for additional information on study guides and online practice tests, you can check out the links in the description of this video. Now, after you pass your exam, you'll get your results immediately. Typically, you can do a retake within about 3 weeks. Once you pay your license activation and provide a contractor bond number, the CSLB should send you your contractor license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs associated with the California contractor license are a state application fee, a license activation fee, and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll pay for the cost of fingerprinting, and you'll cover a contractor bond fee. Now, for the most up-to-date fees, I've got a separate video with the most up-to-date California contractor license fees, and I suggest that you watch that video at the end of this one. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, additional trade skills, and more, like and subscribe to our channel. Any questions that you have, feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.